Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Ringcentral Studio Scripting, a comprehensive tutorial. Ringcentral Studio allows you to build sophisticated call flows and automate various communication processes using a visual scripting interface. While the visual interface is intuitive, sometimes you need more granular control and complex logic. This is where Studio's scripting capabilities come in. This tutorial will delve into Ringcentral Studio Scripting, covering the basics, advanced techniques, and providing numerous code examples. Prerequisites **** Ringcentral Developer Account *** You'll need a Ringcentral Developer Account. Sign up for a free one at Ringcentral Developers, https://developers.ringcentral.com. Ringcentral Studio Access * Ensure you have access to Ringcentral Studio, which is usually included in Ringcentral accounts that support it. Contact your Ringcentral administrator if needed. Basic JavaScript knowledge * Studio scripts use JavaScript. Familiarity with JavaScript syntax, variables, functions, and control flow is essential. 1. Understanding the Studio scripting environment. Script component * The primary tool for writing code in Studio. Drag and drop the script component from the toolbox onto your call flow canvas. Code editor * When you select the script component, you'll see the code editor panel. This is where you'll write your JavaScript code. Event handlers * Studio scripts primarily interact with the call flow through event handlers. Common event handlers include *OnCall, triggered when a call enters the script component. This is your entry point for a new call. *OnHangup, triggered when the call is disconnected. Use this for cleanup or logging. *OnTimeout, triggered if a specified timeout value is reached. Useful for handling unresponsive callers. *OnMessage, triggered when a new message is received, example SMS. Studio Object * The global Studio object provides access to various Studio APIs, allowing you to interact with the call, access variables, and control the call flow. Connections * After your script component, you'll create connections to other components, like play audio, get digit, transfer. The script can then control which connection is taken based on its logic. Logging * Use console.log, for debugging. Logs are viewable in the Studio execution history and the Ringcentral developer portal. Variables * Studio allows you to define and use variables to store data. This includes call-specific data, user input, and data retrieved from external APIs. Variables are global within a single execution of the call flow. 2. The Studio object and its methods. The Studio object is your gateway to interacting with the Ringcentral platform. Here are some of its key methods. Studio.get, variable name, * retrieves the value of a Studio variable. Studio.set, variable name, value, * sets the value of a Studio variable. Studio.go, connection name, * routes the call flow to a specified connection, a visual link coming out of the script component. This is how you direct the flow based on your script's logic. This is crucial. Studio.get call ID, * returns the unique identifier, call ID, of the current call. Studio.get ONI, * returns the caller's phone number, automatic number identification. Important for identifying the caller. Deprecated. Use Studio.get caller ID, instead. Studio.get caller ID, * returns the caller's phone number, automatic number identification. Use this for retrieving caller ID. *studio.getDNIS, * returns the dialed number identification service, DNIS, or the number the user dialed to reach the system. This is useful if you have multiple numbers pointing to the same flow and need to route based on the number dialed. *studio.getContext, * returns the entire context object, which contains information about the call, variables, and more. Use this carefully. It's generally better to access specific variables using studio.get. *studio.recordAudio, * starts recording the audio of the current call. Requires proper permissions and usage agreements. *studio.stop recording audio, * stops the audio recording. *studio.make API request, options, callback, * makes an API request to external services. This is incredibly powerful for integrating with external databases, CRM systems, and more. *studio.queueTask, task name, task data, * queues a task for asynchronous processing. This is useful for offloading long-running tasks to prevent blocking the call flow. *studio.sendMessage, phone number, message, * sends an SMS message. Requires proper permissions and compliance. *studio.sendEmail, options, * sends an email. Requires proper permissions and compliance. Options includes to, from, subject, and body. *studio.dial, phone number, * initiates a phone call to the specified phone number. Requires proper permissions and compliance. 3. Basic scripting examples. Example 1, greeting based on time of day. Explanation * 1 on call, this function is executed when a call enters the script component. 2 new date, creates a new date object representing the current time. 3 now.getHours, gets the current hour, 0 to 23. 4 if/else, a conditional block to determine the appropriate greeting based on the hour. 5 studio.set, greeting, stores the selected greeting in a studio variable named greeting. You'll need to create a variable called greeting in the studio interface. 6 console.log, logs the greeting to the console for debugging. 7 studio.go, play greeting, routes the call to a connection named play greeting. You must create a connection named play greeting from the script component to a play audio component. In the play audio component, use the variable greeting in the text-to-speech field. Example 2, collecting digit input and routing. Explanation * 1 on call, the script initially routes the call to a getDigit component, which prompts the caller to enter a number, example press 1 for sales, 2 for support. Configure the getDigit component to store the collected input in a variable named userInput. 2 on message, this function is automatically triggered when the getDigit component has collected input and sends a message back to the script component. 3 studio.get, userInput, retrieves the value entered by the user from the userInput variable. 4 if/else, a conditional block that checks the user's input and routes the call accordingly. Each studio.go, call sends the call to the specified connection. Example 3, setting variables based on caller ID. Explanation * 1 studio.get caller ID, retrieves the caller's phone number. 2 if/else, checks if the caller ID matches a specific number. 3 studio.set, priority customer, true, sets a studio variable priority customer to true if the caller is a priority customer. Otherwise, it sets it to false. 4 studio.go, routes the call to different queues based on the priority customer status. 4. Advanced scripting techniques. A. Making API requests, integration with external services. The studio.makeAPI method allows you to connect your Studio flows to external APIs. This opens up a vast range of possibilities, such as retrieving customer information from a CRM system, checking inventory levels, processing payments, sending notifications to other systems. Example, retrieving customer data from an API. Explanation One studio.getCallerID gets the caller's phone number. 2 API URL constructs the API endpoint URL using the caller ID. Crucially, replace https://yourapi.com/customers/ with your actual API endpoint. 3 options, defines the API request parameters. Method, the HTTP method, example get, post, put, delete. URL, the API endpoint URL. Headers, HTTP headers, example content type, authorization. Replace your _API_ key with your actual API key if your API requires authentication. 4 studio.makeAPI request, options, callback, makes the API request. The callback function is executed when the request completes, either successfully or with an error. 5 Error handling *. The callback function first checks for an error. If an error occurred, it logs the error, sets a default customer name, guest, and routes the call to a generic greeting. 6 Success handling *. If the request was successful, no error and response.status code == 200, the code parses the JSON response from the API. 7 JSON parsing *. JSON.parse, response.body, converts the JSON string in the response body into a JavaScript object. It's wrapped in a try, catch block to handle potential JSON parsing errors. 8 Data extraction *. The code extracts the customer's first and last name from the parsed JSON data. Adjust this part of the code based on the structure of the JSON returned by your API. 9 Studio.set, customer name, stores the customer's name in a Studio variable. 10 Studio.go, play greeting, routes the call to a component that uses the customer's name in its greeting, example welcome, customer name. 11 Status code handling *. If the API request returns a status code other than 200, example 404, 500, the code logs a warning, sets a default customer name, and continues the flow. Important considerations for API requests *. API keys * protect your API keys. Store them securely, example in environment variables or a key management system, and avoid hard-coding them directly in your script. Rate limiting * Be aware of the API's rate limits and implement error handling and retry logic to avoid exceeding them. Security * Use HTTPS for all API requests to encrypt data in transit. Data validation * Validate the data returned by the API to prevent errors in your call flow. Error handling * Implement robust error handling to gracefully handle API errors and ensure a smooth experience for the caller. Cores * Ensure the API you're calling allows cross-origin resource sharing, CORS, from the Ringcentral Studio domain. If it doesn't, you may need to use a proxy server. B. Queuing asynchronous tasks, Studio.queueTask. Sometimes, you need to perform tasks that might take a long time, example processing large amounts of data, sending emails, performing complex calculations. These tasks can block the call flow and negatively impact the caller's experience. The studio.queue task method allows you to offload these tasks to a background queue, so the call flow can continue without waiting for them to complete. Example, queuing an email sending task. Explanation asterisk. 1. On hang up, this function is triggered when the call ends. 2. Task data creates an object containing the data needed for the email sending task, caller ID and call transcript. 3. Studio.queue task, send email summary, task data, queues a task named send email summary with the task data. The string send email summary is the name of the task. You will need to configure a separate system, example a serverless function, a background process, to listen for tasks with this name and process them. For background processing asterisk the process email summary task function, shown in the comments, represents the code that would run in a separate environment to handle the task. This code is not executed directly within the Studio script. It needs to be deployed and configured to listen for tasks with the name send email summary. Ringcentral doesn't handle the processing of queued tasks. You need to integrate with a third-party task queue service or build your own solution. Studio.sendEmail, email options, is the actual call to send an email. 5. Studio.sendEmail, email options, asterisk sends an email with the call summary. Important considerations for task queuing asterisk. Asterisk task queue infrastructure asterisk you'll need a system to manage the task queue and process the tasks. Popular options include asterisk AWS SQS, simple queue service, a fully managed message queuing service from Amazon Web Services. Asterisk Azure Queue Storage asterisk a queue storage service from Microsoft Azure. Asterisk Google Cloud Pub/Sub asterisk a messaging service from Google Cloud Platform. Asterisk custom implementation asterisk you can also build your own task queue using databases or message brokers. Asterisk error handling asterisk implement robust error handling in the background task processing code to handle failures and ensure that tasks are retried if necessary. Asterisk idempotency asterisk design your tasks to be idempotent, meaning that running the same task multiple times has the same effect as running it once. This is important for handling task retries. Asterisk security asterisk secure the communication between your Studio script and the task queue. C. Sending SMS messages, Studio.sendMessage. You can use Studio.sendMessage to send SMS messages to callers or other phone numbers. Explanation asterisk. 1. Studio.getCallerID gets the caller's phone number. 2. Message defines the SMS message to be sent. 3. Studio.sendMessage, caller ID, message, sends the SMS message to the caller's phone number. 4. Studio.go, queue call, routes the call to a queue. Important considerations for sending SMS messages asterisk. Asterisk permissions asterisk you need to have proper permissions to send SMS messages. Contact your Ringcentral administrator to enable SMS functionality. Asterisk compliance asterisk comply with all applicable SMS regulations, example TCPA in the US. This includes obtaining consent from recipients before sending them SMS messages. Asterisk opt out asterisk provide a clear and easy way for recipients to opt out of receiving SMS messages, example by replying with stop. Asterisk rate limiting asterisk be aware of rate limits for sending SMS messages. Asterisk error handling asterisk implement error handling to handle SMS sending failures. Sending emails, Studio.sendEmail. The Studio.sendEmail function allows you to send emails directly from your Studio flow. Explanation asterisk. 1. On hang up, this function is triggered when the call ends. 2 Email options, defines the email parameters, to, from, subject, and body. Make sure to replace the placeholder email addresses with your actual email addresses. 3 Studio.send email, email options, sends the email. Important considerations for sending emails **** permissions *** You need the correct permissions to send emails. Contact your Ringcentral administrator. **compliance comply with all applicable email regulations, example can spam in the US. **email configuration ** Your Ringcentral account must be properly configured for sending emails. **rate limiting ** Be aware of rate limits for sending emails. *error handling * Implement error handling to handle email sending failures. *email content * Be mindful of the content of your emails to avoid being flagged as spam. Security * Avoid sending sensitive information in emails unless it's properly encrypted. Initiating a call, Studio.dial. Studio.dial is used to initiate an outbound call. This can be used to call an agent or an external phone number. Explanation * 1 Agent phone number, defines the phone number to be dialed. Replace the placeholder with the actual phone number. 2 Studio.dial, agent phone number, initiates a call to the specified phone number. Important considerations for initiating calls **** permissions ** You need the proper permissions to make outbound calls. Compliance * Comply with all applicable telemarketing regulations. Cost * Outbound calls will incur charges. Error handling * Implement error handling to handle call failures. 5. Debugging and troubleshooting. Console.log, use console.log, liberally to log variables, function calls, and other information. This is your primary tool for understanding what's happening in your script. Studio execution history The Studio execution history shows a detailed log of each call flow execution, including any errors or warnings. Ringcentral Developer Portal logs The Ringcentral Developer Portal also provides logs that can be helpful for debugging issues. Error messages Pay close attention to any error messages that appear in the Studio interface or in the logs. These messages often provide clues about the cause of the problem. Test thoroughly Thoroughly test your Studio flows with different inputs and scenarios to ensure that they behave as expected. 6. Best practices for Studio scripting. Keep scripts concise break down complex logic into smaller, reusable functions. Use meaningful variable names choose variable names that clearly describe the data they hold. Comment your code add comments to explain what your code does, especially for complex or non-obvious logic. Handle errors gracefully implement robust error handling to prevent your flows from crashing. Test your scripts thoroughly test your scripts before deploying them to production. Use variables strategically use Studio variables to store data that needs to be passed between components. Consider asynchronous operations for long-running tasks, use Studio.QTask, to avoid blocking the call flow. Secure your APIs protect your API keys and use HTTPS for all API requests. Comply with regulations ensure that your Studio flows comply with all applicable regulations, example TCPA, CAN spam. Regularly review and update your scripts keep your scripts up to date with the latest best practices and security recommendations. 7. Conclusion. Ringcentral Studio scripting provides a powerful way to customize and automate your communication processes. By understanding the Studio object, event handlers, and advanced techniques like API integration and task queuing, you can build sophisticated call flows that meet your specific business needs. Remember to follow best practices and thoroughly test your scripts to ensure a reliable and secure solution. This tutorial is a starting point. Explore the Ringcentral developer documentation for more details and examples. Good luck scripting.